Hi all, welcome to the Excel world. So today our focus of the day will be formula tab. So our pattern will be same as we are doing earlier. First our focus we are putting, then we will check the definition of our focus, what our formula tab is and how it is defined. Then we will see some of the shortcuts related to our focus, and then we will see if there is any additional notes attached to it or not. So like this is the pattern of our learning. So in case you wanted to change our pattern, please let us know in comment section. This tab is in Excel is very useful tab, and in this tab all the important functions are available, like different functions in different segments, and we can apply it as per the need, like VLOOKUP function from logic tab. So we can say formula tab is very important tab in Excel. As we say, formulas are very useful whenever we wanted to get the end result using some formulas. So Excel is very important in providing key formulas to us. So we have different formulas in different sections. So it is very vital to learn that which formula comes under which section. Like we can say VLOOKUP. We know VLOOKUP function. We all know its advantages and disadvantages. What are its powers? So VLOOKUP is used to look up any value in a large set of data. So as it is a logical function, so we will get this VLOOKUP function in logical tab. So like this we have to learn each formulas, like what formulas comes under which section. This will help us to find out and apply the formula in a better way. Like we can say upper function or trim function is a text function, so it comes under the text segment. So now we will be putting the different features or sections provided in formula tab one by one, and then we will be learning each one by one, and we will be learning its definitions, and then we will be seeing what are the important features provided in that. First is function library. Function library is the library which we will find all different functions in different segments. We can see AutoSum, then financial tab, logical tabs, text tab, date and time tab, logical lookup and reference tab, and maths tab and more. So function libraries, like we can say, it's a library of all the formulas. We can say that as in a library we find different books of different sections, like science, like physics, like we have history section. Like this we have different sections. In the same way, in function library we have different sections provided in that, and it contains every things related to that sections, every formulas related to that section. Like in financial tab we have different formulas which were applied by the financial institutes or which are applied by the financial investors in their data, and which are useful for them. In logical tab we have different logical functions. In text tab we have different text functions, etc. We have different formulas in each tab. Like if we will go to logical tab, there we will find it functions, lookup functions, XLOOKUP function, and more like it. This we have to remember which functions is which tab part. So the same we have written here also. Now we will be jumping to the second feature, which is defined names. Defined name is very useful, and this we have name manager through which we can give name for our specific range and can apply the formula as per the name settings. So we can say that if in case we wanted to name our entire data, we can do so using the define name feature provided by Excel. So if we have set up some 5 names of students, we can name those 5 names as class 1. Then whenever we apply the formula on class 1, only those data which we have taken as a defined name as class 1 will change. So we can apply the formulas according to the name defined by us. So this is very important. We will look up when we will go ahead and apply different formulas using it. In this we have define name, then use in formulas tab and create from selection tab. Third is formula auditing. So this tab is used to check for formula if we have applied our formula correctly or not. So this is very useful formula or tab we can say, which helps us to find out if we have applied the formula correctly or not. It gives us the option like what we had taken wrongly. It will show what each errors means, like a spell error. We will get to know what a spell error is. Then we will have different errors like this. So we will able to take the help of Excel and can change our formula using their help using formula auditing. We can see our formula using show formula tab, or we can change the error in our formula using error checking tab. So we have an error checking tab in formula auditing through which we can check our error if there is any error in our formula or not. And we have the option of show formula tab in which we can see what formula we have applied and we can understand better like what is the error we have taken and what are the conditions we have applied. So this tab is very important to evaluate formulas. Evaluate formula tab is very useful to evaluate the entire formula we have applied and if it is correct or not. In this we have trace precedence tab also and trace dependent tabs also. Then we have remove arrow tabs also. So these are the important features of formula auditing section. Now we will be covering the next section, which is a calculation tab. In calculation tab we have calculation options tab through which we provide instructions to Excel if we want to calculate manually or we want Excel to calculate our data. So in case you want the manual collection, you can select manual calculation in this tab. So Excel will not calculate things in your data. You have to calculate it manually using the formulas or different options provided by Excel. But as if you will select the Excel to calculate the things, it will calculate. But it is advisable to select the Excel to calculate because there will be less error when Excel is taking ahead. Only if you apply the formula incorrectly, then only there is a chance for error. But Excel will not give any error from calculation piece. In this we have option to calculate now and calculate sheet tab also, which we can use while working Excel. So we can click on calculate now to calculate our entire data through this calculation tab. This is all about the formula tab. So we will be learning now different formulas in each section one by one, and we will be combining different formulas, and we will see how different formulas apply together and how we can take advantage from those. So hopefully you got an overview about formula tab, and now see you in different video with the different topic. Hope this video adds some value to your knowledge, and in case you like our channel and you like our content, please share it with your friends and family, and please support our channel. In case you have any doubt, you can put your doubt in your comment section. In our comment section, we will try to acknowledge each and every comments, and we will come up with the solution for better understanding for you, because we have created this channel for you so that you can learn Excel without any cost. So support our channel also in growing. Thanks for watching the video.